Okay, so hi guys, I'm live right now, and as promised, today I'm live making you meet these two beautiful ladies who, in a way, started the community with me. Okay, so they are with me from day one when we started Momo Moms, and we all are still powerful together. Of course, we all have been doing a lot of things in our break time, taking a little break from the community hosting, but come back most. So let me start by first making you meet. Let me start by first making someone who's a yummy mummy of Mumo Mumbai Mom, her fitness videos and her tattooed body. And in fact, last time मैंने आपको पूछा भी था कि how many tattoos she has. You have to guess this. So here we have Namrata Sharma. Hi, Namrata.
Hi Neha, hi, and hello everybody who's watching us. Hope you guys are safe, sound, and at home.
Okay. Yeah, indeed, that's the more important. Okay, so let me now add someone who's again with me from day one. We all were strangers, like as I told you last time. Also, Namrata met me, on that day first time, and now we are best of the buddies. Our families, our friends. Similarly, we have someone else with us today, who's of course the day she was beautiful, and she is beautiful today also. But now she has beauty pageants, and of course she is amongst those five girls who made Mumo Mumbai Moms with me. So let me welcome Ruby Aurora. Hi, Ruby.
Hi Neha, hi Nams,
Welcome.
how are you? Thank you so much. Hi everybody. I think it's the quarantine period and
So, Ruby,
I hope everybody is home.
we just introduced you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, great. Yes, Ruby, we all are home, and that's why, thanks to technology, that we are able to talk to you as well as the
I
larger mass because of this Facebook Live. And आज का लाइव जो आपको पता है कि आज के लाइव में कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होने वाले हैं जो it's about your life as well as the life you have with the community, because you two are very special to Momo Mumbai Moms because you are among those girls who started Momo Mumbai Moms with me. The day one we met, we did all the ideation, and today we have two leaders of Mumbai with us. So that's fantastic.
Yes, absolutely.
Congratulations to both also. Yes. So let's start with the first question because this is a crisp live, ladies. Whoever's watching us right now, you can always ask your questions, ladies, Momo Mumbai moms, or if you have something to say about our community, please let us know. Let me start by the first question I want to ask you because I know that you have been into, you have been donning various hats. You are a very active, gym goer, of course, a very keen, very specific about the food you eat. You take care of your diet very well. You do yoga. Your poses, the kind of poses you do. We die out to charge try those poses. In fact, we literally die when we want to try those poses. So, other than that, Namrata, you have a beautiful little son, and you have a lot of things going on in your life already. Now, I'm sure you are moderating Mumbai Moms full time. In fact, this month you're also our champion winner of this month, champ on Mumbai Moms. What do you do in your free time when you have little time left to Mumbai Moms? What do you do in that spare time?
So, spare time is basically taking care of the house, जो हम सब करते हैं. All of us do that. But spare time ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. From the minute I get up till the minute I sleep, I am an early riser. I go to bed early. I try to fit in, दो हाथों को 10 हाथ करने की कोशिश करती हूँ and try to do whatever I can. But I love reading, so I read a book. I usually blog a lot. Some of my blogs are on Momo as well. And I love photography, so sometimes I'm clicking, sometimes I'm doodling. In fact, in this quarantine period, I've got enough time to explore things that I wouldn't have done otherwise.
Okay, great. Wow. So, mothers now at the blog who can photograph, who can doodle, who size, who can stay fit, look yummy, and at the same time can be an early riser and manage them. So great, Namrata. You've been a great inspiration, and I'll come back to you later. And I see Ruby and you looking ditto same in your t-shirts, Momo t-shirts. In the end, mothers,
Yeah.
I'll ask them to get up for you and show their lovely waist to you, because these are these are two lovely, ladies who are very well maintained. In fact, Ruby, you are an inspiration to a lot of us, because I really appreciate the way you've maintained yourself. What is the age of your kid? Please tell them.
You want me to tell that live? The age of my children? Okay. My elder one is
Yes.
21 and my younger one is
Not asking
16.
your age for sure.
Hello, I'm telling you my son's age. I've got two
21
sons.
and
16.
Wow, 21 and 16, Ruby, that's unbelievable. And I know, Ruby, that you are an inspiration to a lot of those who feel that, after getting married, after, giving birth to kids, your life is just finished. If you're not working, you cannot do something with your life. But you have proved them wrong. You have tried to tell them that age is just a number. I know about your journey because you are quite close to me, and plus you have been in Mumbai Mom since 6 years now, and every day I've seen you progress towards your career. So do you want to tell your mothers, these mothers, all the mothers who are watching you, that how do you, what do you exactly do in this free time when you're not moderating Mumbai Moms?
See, in this free time, yes, I am not moderating. Thank you for saying that. But yeah, the thing is keeping myself busy because I do have my online acting classes going on. Very soon you will be seeing me on screen also. Web series done, serials coming up. And yes, one more thing is, other than that, yes, a little bit of exercise. The inspiration is Namrata, of course. We have the other, Apeksha is again an inspiration for putting us on that fitness thing. But other than that, yes, I do a lot of meditations.
We had
I do
Apeksha
a lot.
yesterday, in fact.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. And other than that, yes, I'm trying to just make use of the free time, working up my work ahead, lining it up. And yes, trying to keep my calm down because I think this lockdown is working a lot on us emotionally, mentally. So yes, the meditations and the spiritual part keeps me grounded there.
Yeah. Great. And Ruby and Namrata, whenever there's a guest here on, my live, ones who have made Mumbai Moms, because this entire live series is dedicated to all of you, I generally ask them how long you've been on Mumo. I can't ask you guys that question because you have been on Mumo, because since the time I have been on Mumbai Moms, you've been there, and it's such a beautiful example of teamwork. I know that the time between you went sailing for some time, you took a little break. You went for your pageant, and you were like totally focused on your career, and you took a little sabbatical from the community in terms of heading it. But of course, you were always a member. You were always a silent head, and you come back again, so beautifully. So let me know a little bit about your past story, which even I don't know. Posted on the community, and Ruby, you commented, Namrata, you commented, and we met at a Starbucks at a cafeteria, and I just discussed what exactly I have to do with Mumbai Moms, and you guys showed a lot of enthusiasm, and you joined it. But what was going on in your in your mind? What was the background story with you? Of course, I had a different vision, but what was your intent to join like Mumo and be a part of that group? So who wants to take it first?
मैं छोटी हूँ सबसे, मैं पहले लेती हूँ.
Say.
I remember we met at Starbucks और हम तो ऐसे ही आ गए थे पर्स लटका के. Neha was the only one who came with a laptop with a full
laptop
plan कि ये होगा, and we were just sitting there and wondering, oh really, is that what we're going to do? But yes, one thing why I joined Mumo and why it was important for me, being a sailor's wife, most of the time of the year I used to live alone. And for me, most of my friends were not mothers, and I was the first one in the gang to become a mother. So generally isolate ho jate ho. You don't party, you don't go out that much. That is a time you need to be with like-minded people. And Mumo came in at the right time. My son was 18 months. I was able to manage him better. And that's when I met Neha and the other people. And it was so important at that time. I think tab tak hame ye postmortem पोस्टमार्टम ही होता है वैसे औरतों का तो, पर पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन के बारे में पता नहीं था कि you know how it takes a toll on you, and that is where Momo came. And Neha knows it, Ruby knows it, all these people who know Momo has always been an extended family for me. I stay alone for 8 months of the year, so who better to spend my time than like-minded mothers who are now an extended family.
Wow. Thank you, Namrata. Thank you. In fact, I can understand that a lot of mothers today who are watching this live would relate with you. You know,
Yeah.
that a lot of them, this community, for seeking good friends, for seeking good company, for spending time with like-minded people. And I'm sure, you know, they are quite happy because they've also stuck with us in all these years, because we are just completing our 6th year on 14th of May. And Ruby, you remembered the date right always. I used to always say 18th May, and you used to
18th of
always
May, and I
correct me
said
by
no,
saying it's 14th May.
14th
And now we
May.
have taken your suggestion very seriously. Yes, so it is
Yes.
14th May, Ruby, and we now declare it to the world. So tell me, Ruby, what was your reason? Because you were quite active on social media that time also. Why you chose to be a
That
part of
time,
Momo Mumbai Moms only?
that was, see, otherwise I've been always very socially active in terms of online as well as offline. Always had my social circles, I think, but that was again a time where the social circle was not working for me, and I was going through a phase where I was trying to connect to new people. And that is how I think I came across one post and I reverted and we met. And I think it's part of destiny now that we all had to meet. And, you know, as Namrata rightly put it, that extended family. And yes, the extended family does exist today. And I know how much I value that family today. Nums is aware because of the long talks we always have.
Yeah.
And I think some people just have to enter your life and make their mark there and, you know, have that place. I think that's what Momo did in mine.
Wow. A very beautiful answer, Ruby. And as we are chatting, there are a lot of people online. It is saying hello to all of you. Parki is saying hello. Guys, you should meet Parki also.
Hi,
Parki, you have
Parki.
to come on
Of
this
course.
live. Sonal, Meeta, and in fact, Julie Thakkar is saying hi. Julie is again a fan of the community. Community helped her very, very sensitive time of her life. So I can see all these girls commenting for you. And of course, all of them are writing your fit and beautiful mummies, which is quite evident now. Namrata and Ruby, I will not ask you the next question, which I'll generally ask other people, why you chose to be a head, because obviously, when we did vision sharing, and as Namrata rightly mentioned, that I came with a laptop, and because I'm a sales, I came with a target in mind. Will be 27,000 in a year, and these girls were like, India जो सबसे बड़ी community would be 25,000 after like 3 years. How can we do it in a year? But we all made it
I
possible. In
remember.
fact, in the first year, we tagged 30,000 others.
Mothers.
Wow.
I think हम तो from
Okay, so
everybody.
Ruby and Namrata, my next question.
Neha, I have to say this, that there was a phase, guys, जहाँ हम लिफ्ट में, बाजार में, स्कूल में, जहाँ मदर्स को मिलते थे, सबको मोमो ज्वाइन करवाते थे, वही
कराते थे.
आपको ज्वाइन करना है ही है. It is very important, and that it was as if, you have to be a part of the community. So we went through that phase as well, and it is a fantastic time getting more people joining. So yeah.
Yeah, I still remember we had nobody to that time, mothers. There was no apps like, who are very helpful apps right now. And Namrata at 12 o'clock in night used to ping me saying, should I make a poster? Instead of having an experience in this space, she just designed posters. Yeah. And I remember, Ruby, the way you were, gearing up the online kitty, the online kitty is what we launched through Ruby's knowledge and, the social circle we got in. In fact, Ruby, I still remember our first Karwa Chauth party had maximum tickets. So your gang came in there.
Yeah, because that was my, Shagun was always my baby. Because I remember, I have to tell you, because I think I was from Pune and the Karwa Chauth parties used to happen in Pune and not in Mumbai. And I told you, Karwa Chauth party is something we have to do. So that is always considered as my baby, I know. But yeah, last 2 years I've missed it big time. Hopefully this year we come back with a bang on that.
You have been in the pageant, but
Yeah.
I hope so as well. Looking at the lockdown, it looks little fun.
Down.
We have
Yeah.
Rangoli in queue and then Shagun. Okay. So mothers, as Ruby just mentioned, people who are watching live right now, Shagun is a Karwa Chauth, pre-Karwa Chauth and pre-Diwali bash, and it is the biggest party in Mumbai, what we do, and with an amazing decor and a very elite, set of people attending it. Okay, moving on to the next question, Ruby and Namrata.
Yeah.
Um, because you guys have been watching our mommy members very, very closely, from the moderation, from the approval, from taking care of the new heads. Tell me something what you love about our members. One precise thing, not about the heads, not about the community, about the mommy members we have in the community. What exactly do you love about them, Namrata? Anything like that which you really love as the spirit of these members?
I think one quality that I've observed in general, because I am online most of the times, is everybody is willing to help you selflessly. It doesn't matter where are you from. You're from Bombay, you're from any part of India or of the world. One thing which I've noticed, and one thing that I feel Neha has been the strength of our community, is the quality of mothers that we have are selfless. In today's world, selfish होना बहुत easy है, but selfless होना बहुत मुश्किल है. And that is one thing which I've seen. They will go out of the way, irrespective of place, time. They will find connections and they will do it. And I'm not speaking about it because I've come to know instances. I have been in that position and I've got help from people I don't even know, and they're not expecting anything back. So
Wow.
that is a quality that I really, really admire. I mean, look at one help post we put and look at the kind of feedback we
The
get.
comment.
So that is one thing which I really, really want to thank all our mothers and appreciate them for their selflessness and helpful nature.
In fact, thank you for saying that. In fact, mothers, you should go and watch out for this post what Namrata is talking about. There's one mother in our community who's a nurse, and she has been taking care of the COVID patients, last few weeks. And it was her birthday few days back, and on her birthday she discovered that she's also COVID positive because she was taking care of the COVID patients, and she shared about her birthday on the community, and she's got 11,000 comments, 11,000 comments on a community, which is a closed community where mothers were cheering her up and, wishing her happy birthday and saluting her spirit. And, by God's grace, she's out of, COVID. She's negative now, COVID negative, and she's back to the patients. So inspiring. And yes, Namrata, that's something we love about our mothers, that
And
whatever
Neha,
capacity they can, they come forward to help.
yes. Neha, one thing I remember approving a post at 7:30 in the morning. It went on for 3 days. People are commenting. The day she came back, she actually wrote, I wanted to share it on this platform because of the love I got on my birthday. And that speaks volumes of how we are contributing to the society and how we are a big support to all these mothers.
Wow, correct. That's amazing. That's amazing. So mothers, keep sharing your issues with us, your concerns. Together assure you that everything here is between us. It's in a safe space. Please feel free to pour your heart out, and there'll be someone somewhere who will be happy to help you on that. Yeah, Ruby. So what do you love about these members?
See what Neha Nums has rightly put. I think helping somebody is something which we've seen in this community from day one. I think you very well remember in the first few months or first year of the community, when we even started our preggers group, and there was a mother whose child wanted to be breastfed and she had fever and she couldn't breastfeed. And that was a time when another mother came across and said that she was
It happened in
ready to give her
Kolkata.
milk.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
the other incident was when somebody's husband passed away and the entire community stood by her in the morning. The moment we all came to know, we didn't know her, nothing, but we all were there with her. So these instances are something which have really touched the hearts. And it's like somebody who was going through the labor pains and she's like, what do I do? And everybody is there. I think that speaks a lot about the way these women trust each other and put across, because somebody will ask for help when they expect the help. So they know this community, somebody will be
True,
around to
very
help
true.
them.
That's so fantastic, Ruby, and thank you for narrating the most beautiful, incidences of our community, which we always we are very proud to flaunt. And the best part is that 2 weeks back also in Mumbai, it happened the same thing, that there was a mother who delivered a baby, and while delivering she passed away. And she needed breast milk, and there was a mother of Mulund who expressed her milk and sent the baby breast
Sent it
milk,
across.
which is so amazing.
Yes.
Yeah,
but even with the
fabulous.
COVID,
I feel that's the
Neha,
most beautiful part of.
I think even now with the COVID situation,
Yeah.
I think there was one of the groups which put up, there was this female, I think in one of the Ville Pale groups or Santa Cruz groups,
Yes.
where her parents were alone, and they didn't have food for the night because the maid had not come in. And she pinged me directly because I was the admin of the group. And whereas I made sure that her parents were given food, one of my people just passed across, and the message was put across, and the food was delivered to them. Other than that, even monetary help, I think people are asking,
Wow.
anonymous posts are going up, and people are coming across and helping. I think the community is serving in the right way.
And it wouldn't be wrong.
I know, Ruby. I still remember
that we contribute as a part of COVID warriors, because we say mothers hai, हमारे पास time नहीं है, हम घर नहीं handle कर रहे, ये नहीं handle कर रहे, but I have seen people active out there. You remember we arranged the ambulance for the mother-in-law and the husband, the lady who reached out to us, and then the daughter was not getting admitted.
Oh my God.
And then we got another hospital with the help of our mothers only for the child. So it's amazing. I mean, कौन करता है आज के time पे ये सब? Who has the time? People say we don't have time. So it's amazing.
See, there are these heart-touching moments which are actually
I suppose
reaching
this
out.
is Yeah, so the most powerful incidences of the community, base. I suppose every community is known by the, compassionate actions of the members of that community. A community becomes a community when there are, members involved in that vision. How our vision is, helping that mother who's lost in this entire journey of motherhood, the women who's lost somewhere. Our tagline also talks about ek break to banta hai. So I'm sure, these kind of communications are keeping our community so beautiful. But of course, when there is a positive, there's also a little bit of negative. Others not following rules, some others not listening to us. Because see, a community of 2 lakh mothers, I'm sure, Namrata and Ruby, you have seen us managing 200 people to 2 lakh people today. And every day we monitor with the same late night, same early mornings. What is something which bothers you, or what is something you want to convey to the mothers through this platform? That what is something you don't really like or hate about these members of the community? Ruby, you want to start that?
I think hate about the members is knowing the rules, still not following the rules. I think Namrata should speak more because she's moderating much more than me. But yes, I think when we discuss internally, all the posts still coming across, knowing what is allowed and not allowed. Luckily, I think they don't bitch around, or they're not talking against, because I think that is one rule we followed. People are not talking wrong on the groups, they're following there. But other than that, I think the Facebook moderation or what they follow on Facebook needs to be looked into.
Yeah, lovely point, Ruby. I like the way you said that after knowing the rules, they're not following. We are not talking to the new members who don't know, and at times they might do things. We are mothers who know the rules, but still they want to take panga. I suppose they've had a fight with their husband that day, and they just want to let it out on us.
Yeah.
I remember somebody pinged me.
So Namrata, what's your answer?
I'm telling you, somebody pinged me, rules are meant to be broken. I said, not on this platform. Don't PM me on this platform. The rules are meant to be broken, because I have a super boss sitting up there. एक भी गलत post approve हो गया, तो आपको पता नहीं है कि that is one thing I want to tell mothers. It's rules are made because even we are under some kind of obligations given from Facebook or WhatsApp. We have not just made these rules for fun. A lot of times I've noticed that, a lot of women tend to get a little insensitive. मतलब आप क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप ये क्यों अप्रूव नहीं कर रहे, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जहां हम ओपन फोरम में अप्रूव नहीं कर सकते हैं आपके लिए. There is a reason behind it, because it can be a religious issue, it can be a political issue, maybe you're just venting your frustration. And We would love to hear you. But none of us can just approve posts like these because they tend to get a little controversial. And then we are the ones who have to handle it. So somewhere, everybody who's hearing us, just try to be a little sensitive. We all are here. Please PM us. We will talk to you. We will help you. But don't feel bad or don't break rules, because even we are under some kind of obligations that we are not approving these things. That is all. Rest, it's not that we don't like
Okay,
approving your
fantastic. I suppose now, yeah, after this live, I'm sure with Namrata and Ruby giving a little more insight on, there are rules, there are heads to help you. If there is some approval of yours which has not happened, if there is one post of yours which has not happened, please write to us on momomumbaiMoms@gmail.com if you need a clarification, because when you put it on, on a tag or a comment, at times it goes unnoticed. Though we don't let it go unnoticed, we have like 83 pro bono heads who help us, tagging these posts. And Ruby and Namrata, when we are talking about the heads and the moderator team, which is huge for us now, pan India, we have so many people helping us, and we'll get them on this live also. Tell me what keeps you guys going as a head, because it's been the longest have been heads with the community, and I'm sure we all go through so many things in our life that at times, things take a backseat. There might be days when, we would have had ugly fights between our heads, between us, between, I would say difference of opinions. But then you guys come back and with a, a lot of positive energy and a rigor and new ideas. What keeps you motivated to do that?
Should I? Ruby, or you're going first?
I think something which works for me is the sense of belonging here. Because whatever we do, we know that the sense of belonging, we know we belong here. How much ever we go, we are going to get back here only.
Yeah, it's a family you have created, Ruby, so you can't leave a family which you create.
Yeah.
Like how to our kids once and they are forever ours, so we can't part with our kids. Come whatever they do with us, it doesn't matter, but we are there.
The coming and going will be there, the sabbaticals will be there, but we know it's always there, and we are going to get back here only.
Okay, so Namrata, what's your answer here?
I think one thing that keeps me motivated is Momo was the first platform that took me from nowhere to somewhere. And my respect is for the platform. Obviously, Neha is the one who introduced, and I respect one thing about Neha. She's very humble to say that I've not done it alone. I have a team backing me. She is the face of Momo, and we are more than happy standing tall behind her. But one thing that Momo has given, not only me, I am telling you, we are 2 lakh mothers, 90% we were nowhere, and today we've reached somewhere in our own spaces. I'm not saying that professionally or mompreneurs, I'm not categorizing. I'm just saying Momo has been a confidence booster. Momo has been a comeback platform. Momo has been a place that I was loved, I was respected. My pros were accepted, and so were my cons. Everything. And where there is acceptance, you don't leave places where people accept you. You leave places where you're not accepted. That is one thing that I get up every morning, and that is one thing that keeps me attached to this baby.
Namrata, mothers, you should know she has been approving like 2,000 posts at one go. So you should understand how dedicatedly she works for the community. And if you create a wrong promotion post, you just add on to our task. So please don't do that. Promos is accepted only on one day in a month, at first Wednesday.
Yes.
Yeah, Ruby.
Yeah, I said that's what if the people realize the rules and post accordingly, our moderations will go down. Namrata and other teams that moderates, I think their work will cut down quite a bit.
Yes, Ruby, thank you. Okay, so coming on to the last question of the day, ladies, because we are over time. I suppose I should make this live 30 minutes because we all love to talk and important conversation what we have in here. Yeah. Namrata and Ruby, on a closing note, tell me what exactly, is your message to the community, and why do you feel the mothers who are watching you right now should add more members in the community? Why should they add more love to the community? What is your, closing messages?
Ruby, go
for me. Yeah. I think as Namrata said earlier, don't be selfish, be selfless. You all are taking the benefits of the community. Make sure others get the benefits also. So that is one reason. You know what the community is worth. So spread that for sure.
Brilliant. So I think yesterday,
Thank you, Ruby.
yesterday Apeksha had called it Mughal. I will not go away from that thing. यहाँ जो चाहिए, जब चाहिए, जितने
मिलता
बजे
है.
चाहिए, everything is available. One part of this is that, but the other part is why would you want to grow this family is because support मिल जाएगा, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. जो यहाँ पे प्यार मिलेगा, वो जो यहाँ पे प्यार, आपको अपनी irritants निकालनी है, आपको जो support मिलेगा, that is all. Get women who need your support. I'm not saying only married women. Get single women. People are divorced. Get those women. Mothers. I'm talking about mothers. I'm not talking about women. I'm talking about mothers. Because a lot of times, you know, you find friends who are destined to meet you and there is no way to meet them, and Momo is the place. Momo is the place to find them. हमारे पास पोस्ट आती है, मेरा ये दोस्त 11 साल पहले खो गया था. Is she aware? Is she here? And a lot of people have reunited. Isn't it, Neha? We know about this.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Yeah. It's so miraculous.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. So join me. You never know, कोई बिछड़ी हुई आपकी बहन, दोस्त, teacher, neighbor, कोई ना कोई आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगा. So you should absolutely, you know, invite more mothers to join us and help us grow this family.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you, girls. It was so wonderful to talk to you both. And in fact, you know, these girls have wore the Momo t-shirt to tell you that it's time to make new merchandise, because these are the only two women who are fitting into the old Momo t-shirts. All others, I suppose, have outgrown their size. So good, you know, good to see you guys in the t-shirts. And mothers, I would like to end this live by saying that these are the women who have selflessly created Momo Mumbai Moms and are creating more chapters of Momo with us. If you belong to any city and if you want to, you know, create a chapter like Momo there, please let us know in the comments. Please let us know in your mails to momomumbaiMoms@gmail.com, or either reach out to Namrata, Ruby, or anybody in our group, and we'll be happy to, you know, forward.
Absolutely.
Having said that, because it's a lockdown time, and again they're saying it is extended to 2 more weeks, I'm sure, you know, the phasing would travel in a, you know, for some it will be depressing, some it will be very exciting, some it will be a happy thing, some it will be, you know, very very depressing and a disappointing you know, lockdown. Just be, you know, safe, stay cheerful, and if you need any advice, any help, any friend, feel free to ping us on this community. We all are here to make sure that, you know, you are taken care of anytime. Like we have had people 3 o'clock in night who just wrote that, you know, I want to end my life. The entire Ghatkopar gang was with her. You know, so it's fantastic the way mothers, you know, support each other through this community. And don't worry, we are with you. We are all in this tribe of sisterhood. And thank you, Ruby and Namrata, personally for creating this beautiful baby with me.
Thank you.
I suppose, you know, we don't need men to create this beautiful baby, because we 6 have already done a wonderful job. Yeah, we have done it.
I think, Neha, thanks to you, because it was finally your brainchild. We've helped you bring it up, but yeah, it was your brainchild. So obviously, the baby belongs to all of us, rightfully.
Yeah. And yeah, I suppose I am who kept it for 9 months, but you both were, you all were the godmothers who took care of the baby's, you know, well-being.
Yes.
You have to make a father's group as well. Don't forget, huh?
We are saying that from the first year.
I know.
We rather not have that.
Many ideas, guys. You have to meet her. Okay, so I suppose, girls, we are already 5 minutes off our time. So on that note, let me say a bye-bye to all of you who are watching us. A lot of people have written lovely gupshup. It was live. And tomorrow at the time, mostly at 7 o'clock, or we'll see what time is good, and we'll try to bring in 2 more lovely heads to talk to you. Thank you for watching us live. Thanks, Namrata.
Thank you
guys. Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe.
Bye.
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 I hope this is over. Yes, it is.